This Guinness brown bread recipe is super tasty and really easy to make. In fact, you can go from stir to slice in less than 2 hours. Welcome to Cooking with Chris, the YouTube channel where I show you some of my favorite recipes. Subscribe now and click the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. This quick bread starts with a bottle of Guinness. Now, traditionally for St. Patrick's Day, Irish soda bread gets all the glory, at least here in the States. But Irish soda bread is just kind of plain, and let's be honest, you don't see it around much other than maybe the 2 weeks before March 17th. Guinness brown bread, however, is not plain. It has a nice, slightly sweet flavor that will make you crave it year-round. In a bowl, we will gather the wet ingredients: room temperature Guinness, buttermilk, melted butter, and vanilla. Whisk everything together, and we can start on the dry part. In a separate bowl, we will gather our dry ingredients. 2 types of flour will be needed. We'll sift all-purpose flour and whole wheat flour, along with baking soda, baking powder, and kosher salt. Just sift all those until the salt remains. Then add it with Old Fashioned Oats and brown sugar. Mix the dry with a wooden spoon, breaking up the brown sugar a little bit. You don't have to break it up completely or anything, just get it going. Then pour your wet into the dry and mix it again with the wooden spoon, or even your hands, just until everything is nice and incorporated. If you've ever made banana bread before, the consistency of that batter kind of reminds me of this. That's what you're looking for. Have your loaf pan buttered up and ready to go, and pour in the Guinness batter. Smooth it off a little before adding a few extra sprinkles of oats to the top for good luck. You want to preheat the oven to 450, but bake it at 400, and 45 minutes should do the trick. The hardest part is waiting, but it's important to let it cool properly. Place it on a wire rack and let cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then release the bread from the pan and let it cool for about an hour. Then go ahead and slice away. I suggest nice thick pieces with lots of Irish butter spread all over. It's the perfect way to go. Irish brown bread is a great add to your St. Patrick's Day traditions, or to make with family and friends any day of the year. Leave a comment below if you tried this recipe, have any questions, or just want to say hey, and let me know what food you like to make or eat for St. Patrick's Day. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chris. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes coming soon.